afternoon everyone. Today I am Samik Satpathy from class 8B represent you the different sectors of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. As you can already know that the Atmanirbhar Bharat is a government initiative that is launched in the May 2020 and strengthening the economy and reducing the dependence on imports. Now let's discuss about the different themes of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. First is the development of the Indian space technology. Development of the Indian space technology includes the solar and the lunar emissions with the Chandrayaan 3 and the Aditya L1 with the Gangayaan programs. The second theme is the agriculture. Agriculture is a basic thing, as you have already know that the agriculture have a significant in all the sectors, like the technological advancements, like the drone uses, and AI can shift through the higher crops and the livestock. Third thing is art and craft. Art and craft have a basic thing. Art and craft have a significant integration and with the traditional crafts versions with the modern designs with the e-commerce. The fourth is the transportation. Transportation is for transportation from one place to another. You have already know that in various classes. So transportation have a significant expansion in the national higher railways, put a build on the national higher railways in the land waterways systems. The fifth theme is the Operation Sindoor. You have already know in the news that about the Operation Sindoor, that how our soldiers have bravely fought against the enemies, and it has the dependence on the imports, and it including the aftermath against the Pakistan execution on the terrorism. The fifth and the last is the COVID-19. The COVID-19 you have already faced some various problems, and India has the highest numbers of COVID-19, but they are successfully fight against the COVID-19 by using the sanitation masks and the sanitation facilities. और हमारे देश हमारे श्री प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ये प्रयत्न करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हमारा देश और आत्मनिर्भर बने और हमारे देश चारों क्षेत्रों में आगे रहे, और ऐसा एक दिन आएगा जब हमारा देश दूसरे देशों के ऊपर निर्भर ना करके दूसरे देश हमारे देश के ऊपर निर्भर करेंगे. जय हिंद एंड थैंक यू.